Hello dear viewers, in this video I will tell you how to read IELTS reading passages very comfortably. This is a step-by-step process. You can follow this. You will find the thing very convenient. And very importantly, you can save your very valuable time in the test. So let's get started with the first approach. That is reading the heading. Reading the heading is extremely important because when you read it, you will have some general idea about the passage. If you don't understand in some cases, because IELTS may trick you and can give you some difficult terminology here in the heading. In that cases, don't be nervous. You'll get the details about that terminology in the first body paragraph of your passage. So here the word quark, if we are not pretty much sure, we will read the first body paragraph. For example, in this case, what said that quark, the thick bark of the cork oak tree, is a remarkable material. So from here we can get the idea that what the quark is. Quark is the thick bark of cork oak tree. Alright, so we got the perception about the heading. By the way, after that, what we will do, we will read the topic sentence of every single paragraph. And I hope you already know that what is a topic sentence. Topic sentence is the main sentence for every given body paragraph. And where we will find it? Usually it's in the first sentence of any given paragraph. So let us read the first sentence in the first body paragraph. So we'll read it. So quark, the thick bark of the cork oak tree, is a remarkable material. So if we analyze this topic sentence, we will find basically two things. The first thing is about the main subject. It means the quark, the thick bark of the cork oak tree. And another part we will get is about a claim, or the claim is a remarkable material. It means the writer making a claim that this cork is a remarkable material. And we'll get the explanation of this claim in the other parts or the other sentences in this paragraph. For example, from here it is staff to the last beehives to sandals. We'll get all about the explanation why cork is remarkable material. By the way, after the first sentence or after the topic sentence, whatever we get is called the supporting details, or we can say the supporting sentences. And when we'll get to the supporting sentences, we will just read the major words, and sometimes it's also called as the content words. So what are the content words? Content words are the words which carry the major meaning of any given sentence or any given paragraph. So let's read the content words only. So for example, tough, elastic, buoyant, fire resistant, suitable, range of purposes. This is how we will take all the content words. Millennia, ancient Egyptian, sarcophagic, quark, ancient Greeks, Romans, beehives to sandals. So now if we eliminate the other words that we didn't underscore, that are called the function words, still we can correlate with this claim that why this cork is remarkable material. So now we got the explanation why the cork is remarkable material, because it's tough, elastic, buoyant, fire resistant, suitable, range of purposes, millennia, Egyptian, sarcophagic, ancient Greek, Roman, beehives to sandal. We can get the perception that it's really exceptional type of product, and it's been used for thousands of years. Egyptian, Greeks, and Romans, they have used for many purposes. So all that points actually supporting that why quark is remarkable material. So that is actually giving the explanation about the claim in the topic sentence. So this is how we will deal for every given paragraph. Again, we will read the topic sentence first in details, and after that we will read the only content words, and other words we will skip. These are called function words. So now I want to make it clear about what is content word, what is function word. Content words, to be precisely, it's the noun, verb, adjective, adverb, and or any given number you see. However, for function words, you will get articles, preposition, pronouns, sometimes helping verb and conjunctions. They are basically the function words. So we will skip these words while marking. This is how we can save our very valuable time and we'll get the most important information. As a result, as we can reduce the information in total, in general, so we'll not be confused with too much of information. What I really mean, we'll read less, but that would be very much of effective and time efficient as well. So after that, we'll read the second body paragraph. Again, in the second body paragraph, I hope you can understand, we'll read the topic sentence in detail. For example, and the walk itself is an extraordinary tree. This one we'll read. And after that, we'll read main content words. For example, bark, 20 centimeter thickness, insulating, wrapped, trunk, branches, inside, constant 20-degree. So this is how we'll take all the content words only. So the same process you need to follow for every given paragraph that you get. By the way, another thing we need to keep in mind that so there is clear difference with one paragraph with another paragraph, from this paragraph to this paragraph. This is how a writer has managed very specific paragraphs. It means that thematically somehow a paragraph is unique in compared to the another paragraph. So why I'm telling it, while reading the topic sentence and the main content words, you will get the general idea, but you also need to recognize the main differences, at least thematic differences among the body paragraphs. That would help us to answer the many types of question in our test. For example, matching heading type of question and matching sentence ending type of question. I hope you understand this. Thanks for watching.